Oh, my teacher, lovely teacher, I love you, and I know you love me too. Yes, I do, yes, I do. You are so nice, you are so kind. You are got to teach me something new. I want to say thank you. I want to say thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. I love you. কেমন হয়েছে আমাকে বলবেন সবাই। লাইক করবেন, কমেন্ট করবেন।